How to withdraw crypto from Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the middle button denoted by two arrows. From the options, select Withdraw. You will be given two options, Withdraw to bank or Withdraw crypto and stablecoins. Select Withdraw crypto and stablecoins to continue and make sure your identity is verified. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT. Then enter the recipient wallet address or scan the QR code of the wallet where you can send the funds. Double check the wallet address carefully, as sending crypto to the wrong address may result in permanent loss. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, review the transaction details, and tap Confirm to proceed. Gemini will process the transaction on the blockchain. Once the transaction is confirmed, the withdrawn crypto will appear in the recipient wallet. You can now manage your assets or transfer them to other exchanges safely. Now you know how to withdraw crypto from Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.